Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and we are learning about Google Slides. In our previous sessions, we learned about why to use Google Slide and how to use it. After that, we learned about its features and created some awesome slide with this blank slide option. Now, as you can see in this on my screen, that beside this blank option, here are some other options where some content is written, some designs are already there. So what are these? So these all are known as templates, and over here you can see the name template gallery. So when we click on this template gallery, it will give you so much options of already created some content, actually content ideas, to be specified. Because if you want to create any status report and it's urgent and you have to submit that report as soon as possible to your mentor, your supervisor, and you don't have that much time to design by yourself, to select a theme, to select a font size and all that. But so in that situation you need that there must be some design, there must be some already created format in which I can just edit my report. So for that situation, this template gallery is for you. Not only for that, but if you are like me, like I don't have so many ideas for creating color combination. Okay, I know basics, but not that much, not of advanced level. Then also this template gallery is for you because it gives you so many interesting templates for your every occasion. If you want to create some personal presentation, then these presentation is for you. If you want to create some journal presentation like recipe you want to write and publish it, portfolio you want to create, or how was your year, and if you want to create some party invite, then you can get it here. Then if you want to create your presentation to submit, to show presentation to at your workplace, then here you get so many. If you are pitching your product, then this one is for you. If you want to create status report, professional profile, sorry I clicked that by mistake, let's go back. So then this one is for you. Then project wireframes, education related. If you are a student and you want to create, student or a teacher and you want to create some science project or some special quiz, then here you can get that things also. So basically this template is your wholesome, we can say, collection of pre-planned format by which you can create your awesome content on this. Now the thing is how we can use these templates. So for that you just need to decide for what you want to create content. If you say that I want to create my portfolio, then here you can say that portfolio one, right? If you want to create some food recipes, some drawing recipes, then these are for you. So let's make our own portfolio. So for that you have to click on that particular template. So when you click on that particular template, you can see the slide is created. Now these are already decided format, but it doesn't mean that you can't make your own changes in these slides or in this presentation. You can change theme according to you. You can change the font size. Let's see, I clicked on this theme and everything is changed, right? Whole theme is completely changed. If I click on this theme, then the theme is changed. So yeah, it's up to you that on in which theme you want to create your portfolio. This is like a book, so you can create your portfolio in this thing. So I love that black one, the earlier we used, but it's very simple. So let's select this one. Okay, now how to So it's so much simple. You just need to click on the slide, and here you can see your name, and there is a editing option. My cursor is there, so you just need to backspace, and on the place of your name you need to write your own name, Anjali Tiwari. And then here is a digital experience designer. I think it's a position, or it's a what that person does. So I am a teacher, educator, coordinator, so I can write that things here. Okay, so let's backspace first. Educator, then content creator. No, coordinator, and curriculum designer. Okay, so this is my designation. Now, as you can see here, the red line appeared. It means that I have made some spelling mistake. So, how to correct that thing? I already told you that in our previous video. So, if you haven't watched that videos, please go and watch it. Now the first slide is ready. Then click on this. Just click on the second slide, and here you will see about me. So if you want to put that heading same, and you want to write that as you can see here, I am passionate about building great products that make people life easier. So it's a simple example. As if you can recall the name, the original name or designation of that person here was that he was a designer. So he wrote about himself here that he is passionate about building great products that makes people's life easier. So you can just edit by changing some little word, like I am passionate about building great product. No, about I'm passionate about creating educational impact. Okay, again spelling mistake, so that red line came, right? Educational impact on my students that make people. So we will change peoples to make their life easier. I have over 10 years of experience, so let's change this 10 to 3. I have over 3 years of experience strategizing innovative digital experience for small startups to the world's biggest brand. Experience of educating students from privileged and underprivileged students. I know I'm making some spelling mistake, but let's forget it for right now, because and let's I'm in a hurry. So let's remove this brand option. Now again you can improve your spelling mistake by simply, here was one tool, spelling, right? And click on this spell check. As you can see, they showed me the correct spelling, and just click on this change option, and that spelling will get changed. Then it mentioned about himself, I grow up in this town. So that's how, by changing few words, few letters, you can create your own portfolio in a less than a time. Now you can see it's not looking good, right? Because of that font color. since it was originally made for different type of theme, so it's not looking good on this, but here you can see the slide is looking awesome. So yeah, if you don't like it in other sites, you can change it. And for as for portfolio, I like this one more. Then here, motion design skills and expertise, but as you can see expertise is hidden, so you can make little changes by yourself also. And actually you should make, you should not rely completely on these templates. Maybe they do have some mistakes, so yes, it's important to edit these templates as per your need and as per your work. So motion design and user experience, physical, HTML, CSS. So this about its work experience and skills. You can write your skills here, just you need to click here and write. Then again you can change the color as we learnt in our slides which we created from the blank page. You can change the color as also. Okay, so the all the process is same. Then portfolio sample, you can add link, insert link with this insert option. Then here is project name, what is the name of your project, some description about it. So you just need to erase this. Wherever you want to write, just erase, just click on that part and erase thing. Okay, backspace, and here you can write whatever you want to write. Again the same thing, career highlights, Acme Design Award recipient, what awards he got, and everything, and here your contact info. Now let's just play it. As you can see, it appeared with last slide because here is the last slide I opened. So let's start from beginning. It's very simple slide, right? So if you want to give it transition, you can give transition to the particular slide, particular object, and how to do that we already discussed in our previous video. So go watch it. If you don't know how to apply these transitions and animations, then that video will help you. So I hope with this video uh, you got some knowledge about these templates and how to edit them. So please share your work if you can create some amazing work this template. So here we are officially ending our Google Slides course. I wish you learned this and my videos help you to improve your knowledge about this Google Slide tool. See you in the next course. Until then, stay tuned, keep learning. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.